Beautifully maintained 3-bedroom/2-bath annual rental pool home situated on an oversized 0.41-acre lot beneath a canopy of mature oak trees. Designed for comfortable living and effortless entertaining, the home features spacious remodeled interiors, abundant natural light, a desirable split-bedroom floor plan, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow. The private pool and expansive backyard create a peaceful retreat with plenty of room for gatherings, gardening, pets, or future enhancements. Additional highlights include a circular drive, 2-car garage, and exceptional privacy provided by lush landscaping.